हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू प्लेसमेंट पाठशाला। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं टॉप एआई टूल्स फॉर प्लेसमेंट प्रिपरेशन। प्लेसमेंट के लिए आपको कौन कौन से एआई टूल्स यूज करने चाहिए और उससे आप कैसे बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू डिफरेंट एआई बेस्ड टूल्स विच विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू फॉर कोडिंग एज वेल एज मॉक इंटरव्यूज, फॉर resume building, LinkedIn optimization, as well as preparing for the aptitude and quantitative rounds, and also system designs. So these tools are free as well as paid. So first you make sure use the free version, and if you like these tools then you go for the premium version. So we will start with the code practice platforms. So these code practice platform you might have been already used. So I hope you most of you might have already familiar with the Lead Code, HackerRank, Code Signal and Interview Bits. So these are very famous platforms for practicing coding. Lead Code everyone might have heard and practiced questions on Lead Code, HackerRank, Code Signal and Interview Bits. So all these platform has free as well as paid versions. So you make sure first go with the free version, and if you like it then only go with the paid version. So now look at this portal. Suppose first one is Interview Bit. Here you can get started for free, and also you can use its free version for practicing code, courses, interview preparation, and also mock interview you can give here. So this will be very helpful for you. So make sure you explore these platforms. I am not going to show you entirely here. You can explore and see how it can be beneficial for you. Similar to this, there are other platforms like Lead Code, HackerRank. You can go to those platforms as well and practice questions. So most of the things are free here, so you can get started and start exploring different options. Here you can practice questions, give contest, and also you can look at the most liked problems on the Lead Code and practice those problems. In the right side you can see company wise questions, so you can practice these questions based upon the company where it is asked. So you can explore this and also see if there is any AI feature, you can use it for your benefit. Now next is AI coding assistant. So in this mostly you will be using ChatGPT the most important one, and Cloud AI. So these two are very helpful for you. The remaining will be not helpful for you now. Later you can use it. The next one is for interview. Once you are good with coding, you can start practicing mock interview. So for mock interview, few tools which are very helpful here is Interview Buddy, Ramp, Interviewing.io, Higher Value. So you can explore each of these. Here I will not be showing each of these. So let's say Interview.io. You can go to this portal and start giving mock interviews. So here mock interviews with engineers from Amazon, Google, Meta and other top companies taking your mock interviews. So it will be very helpful. So before interview you can start giving mock interviews here, which will help you to boost your confidence. Similarly you can explore other tools like Interview Buddy. Here also you can practice mock interview. So try to explore different options, try to use these tools. I will be attaching the link of all these tools in the video descriptions, so you can go through it and see which is the best for you. So look at all these portals and then see which is best for you, use that one. So I have added all the list which I find relevant. You can pick any one or two of these tools. Next, coming for behavioral interview. You might be already knowing that similar to technical interview, behavioral interview is also important. So you can use these platforms for behavioral interviews. So you can go there and explore and see how it is beneficial to you. You can use AI based assistant also. This will help you to practice your mock interviews. Next is resume and profile optimizer. So resume is very important for placement. So you can use these tools: resume.io, Canva, JobScan, JT, and also you can use Overleaf. These are very famous resume builders, and these have AI feature also. So you can try with AI also how you can optimize your resume using AI features. So go through it, explore this, and also try to use AI to build your resume and also test ATS perfect, like how much score you are getting, that you can use using AI. So here, ask AI coaching anything. You can use AI to scan your resume and it will give you the score which is most ATS friendly. The next is LinkedIn. So you might have already familiar with LinkedIn. So I'm not going to tell here. You can start exploring LinkedIn, Crystal. These are also very helpful for interviews. Next is aptitude and quantitative preparations. For aptitude as well as your quantitative preparation, you can use these AI powered learning like Khan Academy, Brilliant, Photomaths. These tools, you go through this and select any of the tool to prepare for aptitude and quantitative. Go through these portals and also see how you can use AI for your preparation and also practicing aptitude and quantitative preparation. Similarly, domain specific tools like for data science analytics, you can use DataCamp, Kaggle, Google Colab. So these are helpful if you are appearing for data analyst roles. So if you are preparing for data science related job profile or data science related interviews, then you can refer to these portals also. All these links will be available in the video description. You can look at this and also try to explore and select the best which suits best for you. Next is system design. So system design is also important. For freshers, generally they will not ask much system design, but basics you must know. So you can look at this. So this is very helpful. Here you can see system design related important concepts are explained here with the help of design diagram, and also you can look at the important questions which are asked in most of the interview related to system design, like cache, what is cache, and also database, SQL based questions. You can look at these topics and start preparing for the interviews. Next is personalized learning platforms. So this will be helpful for adaptive learning like Coursera, Udemy, edX. So these are for the courses. If you want to learn like new tech stack or any full stack course, then you can explore this portal. This also has AI feature, so you can try to explore those features as well. For portfolio and project building, you can use GitHub, GitHub Lab, Netlify, Vercel. These portals will be helpful to host your project and add those links to your resume. For competitive coding, you might be already aware Codeforces, CodeSafe, AtCoder. So these portals are very famous for competitive coding. If you are in first, second or third year, then you can start giving competitive coding also. The next is MCQ and online test. So for MCQ and online test, you can use IndiaBix, Geeks for Geeks, Textbook. So these portals are also helpful. So try to explore all of these. I have mentioned all the possible platforms. So you try to explore each of these. Link will be in the description, and then see which best suits you. Try to go with the free version, and then if you like it, then go for the premium access. So go through each of these portal and see how it is beneficial to you. So all of these platforms will have AI power. So AI assistant will be provided. So especially for mock interview, you can use AI based mock interviews. That will be helpful. And also you can use ChatGPT, Cloud AI for coding assistant for asking questions or solving DSA problems. You can use these platforms. So most of the platform you might be already familiar. Here I have just gave the collection of all the platforms which is AI powered and also helpful for interview and coding rounds. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please make sure subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching.